Are you a doctor, therapist, or healthcare provider running your own practice in the United States? If yes, then this video is exactly what you need. Because when it comes to running a clinic, a therapy practice, or any medical setup, your financial tools matter just as much as your clinical expertise. In today's video, we'll help you understand how a business credit card can completely change how you manage money inside your practice. From delayed insurance payments to rising equipment costs, a business credit card tailored for healthcare professionals can be your financial safety net. We'll also explore which features actually matter when choosing one, like expense tracking, accounting integration, and strategic rewards. So make sure you watch this video till the end to learn how to pick the perfect business card for your therapy practice, mental health clinic, or healthcare business. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and drop your questions in the comments. We reply to every single one. Business credit cards give healthcare providers and medical practices a dedicated way to manage expenses and streamline purchasing. These cards typically come with higher credit limits, specialized expense tracking tools, and rewards programs tailored to business spending. A good business credit card helps you manage your practice's finances better. You can consolidate all your vendor payments onto one platform instead of juggling multiple payment methods. These cards also help you build business credit separate from your personal credit score, which matters when you need financing later on. When you face high supply costs or delayed insurance payments, business credit cards give you the flexibility to manage your cash flow. Plus, you can earn rewards on your regular business spending. The importance of business credit cards for healthcare practices. Healthcare practices deal with financial challenges that most businesses don't face. You likely manage payments from multiple sources: private insurance, government programs, and individual patients, each with different reimbursement rates and timelines. Business credit cards help here by giving medical practices and suppliers a strategic tool to manage their finances and operate more efficiently. Managing cash flow. Healthcare practices often deal with uneven cash flow due to insurance payment cycles and seasonal demand. Business credit cards give you a rotating line of credit to help bridge those gaps, giving you flexibility when you need to stock up for busy periods or when insurance payments are delayed. Building business credit. Responsible use of a business credit card over time helps you build business credit, which can help you get better terms on loans or lines of credit. If you ever need equipment loans, facility expansions, or other financing down the line, a strong credit history is a must. Streamlining expense management. The best business credit cards offer built-in expense management software that can automatically track, categorize, and reconcile your expenses. These tools not only simplify budgeting and reporting, but also support compliance and cost efficiency in a highly regulated and cost-sensitive industry. Evaluating business credit card features. The right card for your medical practice should support your financial health and help you comply with regulations. Key features to consider include expense tracking and documentation. The best business credit cards for healthcare practices should offer integrated expense tracking and categorization tools. This software automatically sorts your transactions by department, vendor, or service line, giving you clear visibility into where your money goes. This real-time visibility helps you monitor cash flow and make more informed financial decisions. Look for software that also automatically categorizes expenses. Automated expense categorization saves hours of manual reconciliation each month, freeing your staff to focus on patient care and giving you audit-ready documentation when tax season comes. Integration with accounting software. A card that integrates with your accounting software reduces the need for manual data entry, which minimizes errors and saves staff valuable time. Integrated systems simplify monthly reconciliation and quickly generate accurate financial reports. This is especially important in healthcare, where clear financial records support compliance, audits, and insurance documentation. As your practice grows, having a scalable, automated system becomes critical. Integration ensures the financial side of your business keeps pace with clinical operations, allowing you to stay focused on patient care. Perks and rewards structure. Look at rewards and cashback programs based on how your practice spends money. Review your highest spending categories and narrow your search to cards that give you elevated cashback rewards or points multipliers in those areas. If your credit card is the best overall card for healthcare practices and medical suppliers. Ramp provides financial management tools that help you track expenses, control budgets, stay compliant, and get real-time reports on your practice's spending. Ramp is specifically designed to save healthcare companies time and money. It offers cashback on purchases and up to $350,000 in partner rewards, perks, and discounts for common vendors like UPS and Amazon Business. This all adds up to an average savings of 5% a year across all spending. Credit limits up to 30 times higher than traditional business credit cards, up to $100,000 or more for some businesses. Built-in expense management features, including automated receipt collection and expense reporting integrations with popular accounting software and ERPs like QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite, reducing manual reconciliation and expense categorization. Unlimited free physical and virtual employee cards with customizable spend limits at the card, department, vendor, and category levels. No annual fee or foreign transaction fees, especially useful for practices or suppliers with an international supplier base too. American Express Business Gold Card. The American Express Business Gold Card offers a flexible reward structure tailored to healthcare practices with diverse spending needs. It earns membership rewards points at an accelerated rate, providing 4 times points in the 2 categories where your practice spends the most each billing cycle, from a list of eligible categories. Benefits include 4 times points on eligible purchases in specific categories, 3 times points on flights, and prepaid hotels booked through Amex Travel. Flexible point system with numerous redemption options. No international transaction fees, $240 flexible business credit for purchases at select business vendors. However, the card comes with a hefty $375 annual fee. Additionally, the 4X rewards rate is capped at $150,000 in combined purchases each calendar year, which may affect medical suppliers or practices with high annual spending needs. The American Express Business Gold Card is a powerful financial tool built specifically for growing businesses that want flexibility and high rewards potential. With this card, you can earn 4 times membership rewards points on the 2 categories where your business spends the most each billing cycle, from a list that includes U.S. advertising purchases, gas stations, restaurants, technology providers, shipping, and travel. The 4X points apply to the first $150,000 in combined purchases per calendar year, after which you earn 1X. This dynamic earning model means your rewards adjust automatically based on your business spending habits, giving you optimal value without constant micromanagement. There's no preset spending limit on the card, which allows for flexible purchasing power based on your usage, payment history, and other factors. This feature is especially useful for businesses with fluctuating monthly expenses or large one-time purchases. Zrania online brands, and firms with heavy advertising, travel, or tech expenses. You'll also enjoy exclusive Amex experiences and early access to select events that can benefit both your business networking and personal enjoyment. With its powerful combination of flexible rewards, rich travel benefits, and robust business tools, the American Express Business Gold Card is an excellent choice for entrepreneurs who want to get more out of every dollar they spend. 3. Capital One Spark Cash Plus. The Capital One Spark Cash Plus card offers medical practices and suppliers a flexible spending limit. You're not restricted by a fixed credit line, letting you make purchases as needed. You can earn 2% cash back on all business purchases with no caps or limits, and an additional 5% back on hotel and rental car bookings through Capital One Travel. Unlimited 2% cashback rewards on all purchases. No preset spending limit. No foreign transaction fees. $150 statement credit to offset annual fee if you hit a minimum spending threshold. Offers virtual card numbers. The Spark Cash Plus is a good choice if you want straightforward cashback rewards, but you may miss out on the points and other benefits you'd get with a more tailored reward structure. The card also requires full balance payments each month, so it's not a great choice if you plan to occasionally carry a balance. Integrating your credit card into your financial workflow. Your business credit card should fit seamlessly into your practice's financial management system. Proper integration boosts financial visibility and reduces administrative work. Here's how to get started. Develop a rollout plan. If you plan to distribute credit cards for your employees, you'll need to establish clear protocols for card usage, receipt submission, and expense approval. Train all cardholders on proper documentation requirements, emphasizing the importance of detailed records for healthcare